How to change phone number on Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on 1-2-Step. In today's video, I'm exactly going to show you the process of changing your existing phone number on your Amazon account. So stick with me till the end and let's get right into it. Open up your web browser and search for amazon.com. And then log into your Amazon account. Once you have been logged in, just hover over your name or the accounts and list and a drop-down menu will open up. Click on the accounts option. From the account section, click on login and security. From here you'll be able to see all of your information. Now I currently have added no phone number to my account, but if you have, instead of add, you'll see an option of edit. Click on the edit option and then type in the new phone number that you want to add. Select your country code and then type in the number. Once you type in the number, click on continue. Once you do, a verification code or a one-time password will be sent to the mobile number that you've entered. You'll need to enter in the code and click on verify. And as easy as that, you'll successfully change your phone number on your Amazon account. So that was the exact video. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.